Yeah.
Alright, this is the Lily family, and we are going to microwave a Peep. Time. Let's go 1 minute.
Oh my god.
More marshmallow.
Oh my god, what are we doing?
The pig just turned into a chicken.
No, it just turned into a giant mess. Oh my god.
Okay.
You gotta stop.
I think you better stop.
Alright, we're gonna stop now. Oh my god. And that is what happens when you put a Peep in the microwave.
Ooh, it smells really good though.
It smells like burnt.
Too bad we don't
Sugar.
have stuff for s'mores.
Are we gonna eat them?
No.
I don't think we're gonna eat that one.
Can I eat this one?
Yes, you can eat that one.
Oh,
Hi world.
this is Easter experiments part 2. We're gonna put a marshmallow bunny into the microwave.
Hold on.
Dad,
Out
can
of
I
focus.
eat this?
Okay.
Dad, can I eat this?
You're gonna put it. Alright.
It's hard to see like through all of the mesh white stuff.
Back on.
Well, it's not gonna help. Ooh, no!
Oh god, oh god! Okay, this one kind of just exploded.
That's pretty good.
Whoa, oh my god. This one is way better than the first one. Oh my god. I think the chocolate is like receding into the marshmallow. What are we doing?
We're having fun. Now it's like all like
It looks like
plating.
a giant iceberg.
There we go.
That is just insane.
It smells terrible.
No, it doesn't. It smells good. It smells like chocolate and it smells like a s'more.
And it looks like a s'more. Oh dear.
No, that cleanup is easy. You just throw it away.
Oh, see.
And that's what happens when
It
you
looks
put.
like vomit.
Oh, see.
Well, there's one chocolate Easter bunny wasted. It smells good though. It smells like a s'more.
You want to have this as your sentient?
No, thank you. Easter fun.
All right, we're gonna. This is our final part, part 3. We're gonna put a Cadbury egg into the microwave.
Cadbury Creme Egg.
Yeah. Just put down the napkin. Put the egg in the middle.
Here we go.
Jake, you know what this is.
How long do you put it in for?
1 minute.
It may take longer than
If it takes long, then we'll put it in longer.
that. Now I'm.
Whoa!
Whoa!
The egg just shrunk.
Because all the cream is spewing out of it.
Oh my god!
Yeah, longer than a minute.
Oh my god!
Pick McKenna up! Pick McKenna up! Let her see.
Oh my god!
Pick her up, please!
Oh my.
Oh god, it's getting off the napkin.
That's okay. You're gonna clean it up.
What? No.
The chocolate is gone.
The chocolate's done. Oh my god, the cream is like overtaking everything.
Okay, open it up.
Oh.
You want to eat that?
Yuck. Easter
Ew.
candy experiments.
Ew.
Is it sticking?
No. Wow.
I never want to eat that.
No, I don't think so. I don't
Looks
think
like
we'll be eating
looks
that
like crud and barf.
Yeah.
It's crarf.